What's up guys? Today we're gonna go over how to make an easy GoPro mount made literally under $5. Fits right in your scupper hole. Well, that's, of course, you got a scupper hole up front like I do. I have a Field and Stream Shadowcaster, so this fits perfectly. I'm gonna end up painting this entirely black, but this is a prototype, works great. And again, like I said, it's under $5, you can't beat it. Now I'm gonna read you the price, literally, straight from Home Depot receipt. 1-inch PVC cap slip, 83 cents. 1-inch by 2-foot PVC pipe, $2.26. Serrated flange bolt hex, 1 by 4 by 3 by 4, quarter 20, 50 cents. That's what this is holding on to. And you could just use your GoPro skeleton case here. Or you can use something like this that has a swivel head to it. And again, it goes into the quarter 20 screw there as well. So that can also be up top, just in case you want to change the angles kind of thing. If you're having any trouble with the PVC pipe fitting in the scupper hole, you can add maybe a layer of tape just to get it a little more snug. So far this has worked just fine, and I'll probably end up putting one sheet on, maybe later, we'll see. All right, so I'm gonna show you guys how simple this was. So we got our cap right here. First thing I did was drill a pilot hole using a 15 by 64 bit directly through the top of this. I know it's not the straightest hole in the world, but it works. So like I said, first thing I did was drill a 15 by 64 pilot hole through the top of this so that my bolt here would thread itself once I put it in. I used a 10mm socket to socket it in. Like I said, it threaded itself on the way in. And I left just enough for my skeleton case to go on. Like I said, or you can use the swivel head here. So that's it for the cap pretty much. And now you have your 2-foot PVC pipe. You can glue it on if you want, it's up to you. Mine fits snug. That's literally, that took, I don't know how long. I mean, granted, I didn't, show you guys drilling, but that takes nothing but 2 seconds as well. But once you got this snug on, you can put your case on, or like I said, the swivel, and paint it color. If you want to camo it out, it's all up to you. And like I said, don't forget, if your scupper hole is let's say, an 1/8 of an inch thicker maybe, or I'm sorry, maybe a 1/16 of an inch thicker, you can wrap one thing of duct tape or electric tape, totally up to you. So it can fit snug in your scupper hole. You can also cut this down to what length you might want. You might want a low view, so you only have maybe half of this PVC pipe, and use the swivel up top to give you that upward angle that you wanted. And as also, if you wanted to, let's say you inserted this inside your scupper hole and you still want an exit for water just in case it does get inside your hull. My kayak has 2 scupper holes up front. Let's say if I did want water to still escape from my right side scupper hole, you can still drill holes through this. It won't affect the structure, or it won't affect how this fits inside your scupper hole. It should still drain out if you were to, put slits in it or drill holes in it. It's totally up to you. You can customize it how you want. Hey, and that's pretty much it. It's literally that simple. I want to say maybe it took me 10 minutes to put it all together. And like I said, it works great. It works for my purposes and my needs. And again, under $5, you might as well give it a try. Thank you guys for watching. I do appreciate it. If you guys go ahead and hit that like button if you like this video, go ahead and subscribe if you want to see more. You want to see more fishing. I post videos literally every single week. I would love to have you guys there for all my adventures and my outings that I do go, whether it's kayak fishing or out of a boat or off the bank. I'm going to try to do it all. And if you want to join me, feel free to reach out to me, leave a comment in the comment section down below, and I'll be sure to get back to you. And again, thank you. I appreciate you guys for watching. Go ahead, like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys out on the water.